What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Minecraft in your Android phone. So what you need to do is go to Play Store on your phone. After that you have to click on the search bar in the top right corner. So then you have to type Minecraft. Please watch the full video to download Minecraft on your Android phone. Okay, Minecraft. Then here you can see here is a bunch of options and bunch of games of Minecraft. You don't want to download all of those or any of those. You have to find the original Minecraft one in here. So what you need to do is find the one that called Minecraft, not the Minecraft blog, Minecraft education, just like that. You have to click on the Minecraft, and this game is by Monang. Okay, Mojang. You have to click on this logo right here. Here you can see this is downloaded over 50 million downloaded here, and this has 3 million reviews. You have to click on exactly right here and download this one. So what you need to do is click on the BTT right here. I am from Bangladesh, that's why this is BTT. If you are from other countries, this will show your currency here. You have to click on this. Okay, just a little bit. After that you have to add your card to pay the amount for this game. Okay, after paying the amount for this game, you can easily play the Minecraft on your Android. So what you need to do is pay the amount for the Minecraft in with the Visa card or credit card from your phone. Okay, you can easily play Minecraft on your phone. So this is how you can download Minecraft on your Android phone. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.